To kick off this FortiSIEM automation demo, let's look at a common security scenario. An administrator adding a user to a domain admin group. We have configured a lookup table within FortiSIEM that defines our authorized administrators. If anyone outside of this list is added, FortiSIEM flags it as a privilege escalation or persistent threat. Once detected, we will execute an FortiSIEM automation playbook to trigger an instant response. It automatically removes the unauthorized user from the domain admin group and disables the account to neutralize the risk. I am currently logged into FortiSIEM console, navigating to resources and then lookup table. You can see our domain administrator group, where we have predefined our authorized admins. Now, switching over to the Active Directory server, I have a user account named student1. I will now add this user to the domain admins group and apply the changes, confirming they are now part of that privileged group. Let's head back to the list view. Under role name, I will search for unauthorized to find the incident for the unauthorized domain admin addition. Here is the alert for student1. If we drill down into rule section, you will see the logic in action. Although this looks like a normal admin activity, FortiSIEM has flagged it specifically because the user was not found in our authorized admin lookup table. Now let's move to the response section to see our remediation in action. I am selecting the playbook tab and triggering the remove and disable unauthorized domain admin workflow. As the playbook runs, you can follow the execution steps right here. Notice how it dynamically pulls variables from the incident like the student1 username and passes them to our Active Directory connector. This ensures that the response is both surgical and immediate, removing the unauthorized privileges and disabling the user account in real time without any manual intervention. Next, I will enable the canvas view, which transforms our response logic into visual topology. This interface allows us to monitor playbook actions graphically, mapping out each incident response steps so you can see exactly how the automation flows from detection to remediation. Next, I will head back to the Active Directory server to verify the results. After a quick refresh, you can see that student1 has been successfully disabled and officially removed from the domain admin groups, confirming that our FortiSIEM playbook has fully neutralized the threat. Finally, let's return to the resource section and navigate to Automation Content Hub. You can see here that FortiSIEM supports over 700 plus connectors, providing a massive library of out-of-the-box integrations and playbooks. The Discover tab allows you to explore the full range of available connectors, while the Install tab gives you a clear view of integrations currently active within your environment. Moving into the Playbook Designer, I will begin by creating a new playbook. As you can see, FortiSIEM offers several trigger methods, including application events, references, automation policies, and FortiRecon. I will select application event as our starting point and give this step a name. From here, we can leverage different stages like evaluate for logic and execute for taking action, giving us complete control over how the playbook responds. Now, let's move into the remediation playbook area. Here, you will find a comprehensive list of pre-built, out-of-the-box playbooks ready for immediate use. You also have the flexibility to create custom workflows using our extensive library of third-party connectors. For example, here is a standard remediation playbook designed to automatically block a malicious IP address using one of those built-in connectors. Thanks for watching.